Hello Bit2Meers. Today, we want to give you some tips to make the process of verifying your account much easier and faster. First of all, it does the registration and verification process from the same device. Our recommendation is that you download the Bit2Me mobile app and do it from there directly and from start to finish. Correctly select the type of document, either the national identity document or the passport, and then choose the country of issuance. Open the drop-down menu and look for it. When taking the photo of your identity document, place it on a flat surface and with a background of a different color so that it stands out in the photo. Don't hold it in your hand because it will be blurry and unreadable. Avoid light reflections that can prevent the correct reading of the document. Make sure that your document is not expired. If it is, it will not be possible to verify your account. Also, if your ID is missing the chip or damaged in any way, please use your passport. For security reasons, you can only have 5 attempts to upload your documentation. If you exceed them, your account will be temporarily blocked and you will have to contact our support team to unblock it. Take a good look at all the steps so you don't get left halfway. And remember, once your account is verified, you can buy your first cryptocurrencies. As you can see, it's very simple. If you still have questions or get stuck at some point, contact our support team for help. See you soon!